Hi everyone, this is a video about this Homedics compact nail polisher, and this is not the price. The price of this for the beginning is between 7 to 15 pounds. It depends which seller you purchase this, and it's Homedics is a very known brand in here in UK, and this one is for filing your nails or polishing it and so on. And I thought, okay, it's just good fun to have this for a review, because any once in a while I need some sort of filing my nails or the ridges on top of my nails, although that I never do that because of hygiene stuff. But I purchased this to see what is it all about. So when you open this, it is getting it out. Let me see if there are any papers in here. What is this? Homedics. And that's it. At the back, what does it say? Compact nail polisher. Simply polish your nails to a natural shine. High frequency vibration for a speedy manicure. Simple 3-step process. File ridges and shape nail with coarse and fine heads. Buff nail bed with buffing head. Am I seeing it right? Polish to a natural shine with shining head. Compact design, perfect for every handbag. Okay, let's see, handbag. So where are you going to store all of this? Okay, we put the battery in there, but where are you going to store all of this? Okay, let's get it out and see how good this one is. And is one of those 2-layer annoying stuff that I hate. You see, one is for the bottom and the other one is for the top. That is very difficult to open. So let's see what it comes in these. It just shows you how to install the battery and how to install all of this. And here it is. It has 4 attachments. Store to clean, and the battery is one of those annoying again that you have to use a coin in order to open it. Let me see. There are no instruction for how to install it, and this one is one of those useful ones for the warranty and safety and all of that. That is very tiny text provided to avoid us to reading all of this. So now let's see. So now I have to go and get a coin. Let me see if I have one here to open this, to install the battery. It takes 1 AAA battery. Yeah, and which one is which? Let me see if it does work. I think it has to be other way around. So the positive must be here, and use the coin to just close this. Yeah, let me see. Oh yeah. So now the battery is installed and nothing is at the top. So these four, which one is which? Let me just see if I can find it here. No. You see, this is the experience that they are offering us. It says here A, B, and C. A, B, C, D. But it doesn't show which one is which. No. 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 Okay. So with the touch, this is very coarse. This is less coarse. And this is for buffing and this is for polishing. So polishing, buffing, coarse and very coarse. And how to maintain these is really good, because I looked into it to find if we can find a replacement for this. And in nowhere I could find a replacement for this. So this from the get-go is not recommended, because if you want this, you have to go to the Homedics. Maybe you can find this, but anywhere else, or even on the internet, I couldn't find this. So now let's see how to put this on in here. Look at this. There is some sort of latch in here and another one in here and an arrow there. So here we have the arrow and we have something like a latch there, can you see? And another one is in there, if I can manage it to focus. So we put this arrow the right way to that arrow and then see how it goes. Yeah, I just installed it. And now turn it on, and it has a light as well. So now, not bad, but it's very weak, this one. Now let's see how to change it. Okay, we change this to file. Let's see if I can file this again. This arrow and that arrow there, we match them together, put the bottom in and then press the top one in. Now let's see how good. It's a strong, it's not a stopping, but I mean the motor is strong, but the file, I doubt it. Anyway, because that you cannot find the replacement of this is not recommended, because the battery is like that, with that coin opening and shutting, is not recommended. And to be honest with you, you can find a, oh, it has a top as well. You can find a file, nail file, that is manual files, that it does the job in a shorter time period, and that's it. This is not recommended because of all the reasons that I just mentioned. It's just a gimmick. To me, it's just a gimmick. and they are cashing in on, you know, women's need or any people's need to just file their nails, and this one is not really good at all. Anyway, not recommended. Until my next video, I won't take your time with this item because it's not really exciting me at all. So take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.